Okay, here go questions for Lab 3.3. Which of your habitats has the greatest biodiversity, and does this support your hypothesis? According to my calculations, and hopefully they're correct, the desert was the most diverse. I had hypothesized this simply because when looking at the photos, it seemed to have closer to the same amount of different species. Number two, is an agricultural field truly a monoculture? Why or why not? I think that perhaps some agricultural fields start out as monocultures, but in time other species come into play. There's always a chance that seeds from something growing miles away will find their way into the field and take root, thereby causing the field to no longer be considered monoculture. Number three, what are some of the major causes for the loss and for the increase of biodiversity in a habitat? Two major causes for loss of biodiversity are human population growth and pollution, which again is caused by humans. Two of the major causes for increase in biodiversity include protecting habitats for critically endangered species and decreasing the rate of habitat destruction. Number four, if you cut down the variety in a piece of forest you owned and replanted with one type of tree, what will happen to much of the wildlife that was adapted to that forest? The results of this could cause the extinction of one or more species of plant or animal. It would interrupt not only the local food web, but also destroy the dwellings that many of the animals in the area use for protection from the elements and from predators. Number five, do you think the fate you described for number four will be the fate for all life, or all of the wildlife in that habitat? I don't think so. I think that there's a chance that some of the species would be able to adapt and evolve to a new environment, but that would not necessarily be the case for all of them.